Welcome my dear friends. Hope you all are safe at your home during this lockdown period and enjoying my video. So friends, today I am here with a very conceptual and very interesting topic. So my concept is aerobic versus anaerobic respiration. Friends, I think some of you confused between two terms. First is breathing, second is respiration. So friends, in breathing, what is breathing? Breathing is a cyclic process. It has two processes. First is inhalation, second is exhalation. In inhalation, we take in oxygen-rich air, and in exhalation, we give out carbon dioxide-rich air. Friends, this is all about breathing. What is respiration? So friends, let's start this discussion. Friends, respiration is a process. In respiration process in which the glucose, that is 6 carbon molecule, is broken down into 3 carbon molecule that we call pyruvate. And this process takes place in cytoplasm of the cell. In this process, some energy also produced. So friends, in this process, the some energy also produced. And in respiration, there are three main pathways. So we shall discuss today. Friends, in first pathway, this is presence of oxygen. In first pathway, this is presence of oxygen, and in presence of oxygen, the pyruvate is broken down to form carbon dioxide, water, and energy. So friends, this process takes place in mitochondria of the cell, and this process is called aerobic respiration. In this process also, amount of energy is very high. And there is a second process. Let's proceed to the second process. And in the second process, takes place in absence of oxygen. And in this process, the pyruvate is broken down to form ethanol, carbon dioxide, and energy. And in this absence of oxygen, it takes place in yeast. And do you know, yeast is a microorganism and is called fungus. And yeast responds to the absence of oxygen. So friends, this process is called anaerobic respiration, and this process is called anaerobic respiration and takes place in fermentation. So friends, this is first pathway and this is second pathway, and third pathway, there is another pathway, and in this pathway, when we do physical work, we need more energy, and when we need more energy, it is not sufficient that the aerobic respiration gives us energy. It is not sufficient to fulfill our needs. So to meet our need, this process takes place. This process takes place in the lack of oxygen, and in this process takes place in our muscle cells. So friends, in this process, the pyruvate is broken down into lactic acid and energy. Friends, due to this lactic acid, we feel restless. So friends, from all the discussion, we conclude respiration has three main processes. First is aerobic respiration, another is anaerobic respiration, and third one is lack of oxygen that takes place in our muscle cells. So friends, remember that thing that aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration it produces more energy, and anaerobic respiration produce less energy comparative to aerobic respiration. So friends, thank you. See you in the